Hey y'all, hey, I am back from the grocery store. I just wanted to show you the stuff that I got. So, I got some tomatoes, 2 things of broccoli, I got 2 things of Simply Nature granola, I got the variety bell peppers, I have Simply Nature multi-grain tortilla chips. I want to try these. I got 2 orange squash. I got Miracle Whip. I have orange sauce and teriyaki sauce. Maple syrup. 2 cans of coconut water. I have some wheat English muffins. All butter croissants. I also got 35 calories wheat bread and whole grain bread. I have 2 dozen of large eggs. This baby watermelon. I have a bag of apples, some unsalted butter, 3 garlic cloves, buttermilk pancake from Millville. I have a bag of lemons, a bag of limes, 2 zucchini. I also got 2 packs of strawberries, 2 Asian chopped salads. Let's see what else I get. Oh, I got a bag of avocados. I got 2 bags of chicken fried rice that I'm cooking for dinner tonight. I have a bag of berry medley, frozen fruit. I also got Asian seasoned medley. I got a bag of hash browns. I have some Driscoll's raspberries, blackberries. I have a pack of blueberries. And I have the variety pack of grapes from Aldi's. I have those. I did get a pack of drumsticks. Leg wings. They need to go in the sink. I'm going to do the wings. I think I'll do the thighs because they already thawed out. I'm going to cut the thighs up and make some orange chicken. And I got 2 packs of chicken egg rolls. I also got 2 bags of chicken pasticas. I'm going to cook those. I got me some new dish towels. Oh, Lord knows I've been needing these. I got some Ajax from Ajax Ultra. Now this stuff right here came from Aldi's. My cleaning stuff. I got the Clorox Sentiva wipes. I got this for my grandson, but we're not going to do it this weekend. We're going to do it next weekend. Some pens and glue sticks for my vision board. Let's see. Oh. Also, I got a 6-pack of paper towels. I got 2 packs of 20 long-lasting Scott's tissue. I got 2 of these. And I got some scoops. All right, that's it. direction. Pot stickers and some teriyaki chicken. Ooh, and some orange chicken. Okay, and then him some chicken fried rice. Alright guys, and his chopsticks. Oh, we finna eat so good.